What if the skill you're learning today determines how much money you'll earn 10 years from now? The world is changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is replacing jobs. Technology is transforming industries. And many of today's careers may not even exist in the future. But here's the good news. The people who master the right skills won't just survive, they'll thrive. Today, we're counting down the 10 most valuable skills that could make you rich in 2030. Number 10, public speaking. Most people are terrified of speaking in front of others. That's exactly why it's valuable. Whether you're pitching an idea, leading a team, or building a business, the ability to communicate confidently gives you a massive advantage. As investor Warren Buffett once said, "The one easy way to become worth 50% more than you are now is to improve your communication skills."
Number 9, content creation. YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, newsletters. Content is the new currency of attention. People who can educate, entertain, or inspire audiences have opportunities that never existed before. Many creators started with nothing more than a phone and an idea. Today, some earn millions. Number 8, sales and negotiation. No matter what industry you're in, sales matters. If you can't sell a product, an idea, or even yourself, opportunities will pass you by. The highest paid people in the world understand persuasion because every business runs on sales. Number 7, data analysis. Every day, humanity creates enormous amounts of data. Companies need people who can turn that information into decisions. Netflix uses data, Amazon uses data, Google uses data. The ability to understand patterns and make data-driven decisions is becoming more valuable every year.
Number 6, project management. Great ideas are useless without execution. Project managers help teams stay organized, meet deadlines, and achieve goals. As businesses become more complex, people who can coordinate people, resources, and strategies will be in high demand. Number 5, digital marketing. Even the best product in the world can fail if nobody knows it exists. That's where digital marketing comes in. Skills like SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and online advertising help businesses grow. And businesses are willing to pay well for growth. Number 4, coding and automation technology is everywhere. Learning to code doesn't just mean becoming a software engineer. It means understanding how technology works. Even basic automation skills can save businesses thousands of hours and millions of dollars. That's why technical skills continue to be highly valuable. Number 3, AI literacy. Artificial intelligence is transforming nearly every industry. The people who understand how to use AI effectively will have a huge advantage. The better you know how to use it, the more productive and valuable you become. The future won't belong to AI. It will belong to people who know how to work with AI. Number 2, problem-solving companies don't pay people for effort. They pay people for solving problems. The bigger the problem you can solve, the more valuable you become. Every successful entrepreneur, engineer, doctor, and leader is fundamentally a problem solver. This skill will never go out of style. Number 1, communication. And finally, the most important skill of all, communication. You can have incredible ideas. You can master technology. You can build amazing products. But if you can't explain your ideas clearly, your impact will always be limited. Communication amplifies every other skill on this list. It's the force multiplier. The future belongs to people who keep learning. You don't need to master all 10 skills overnight. Start with one, then another. Small improvements compound over time. Remember the saying that the best investment you can make is in yourself. The skills you develop today could determine your opportunities tomorrow. So here's my question for you. Which of these skills are you focusing on right now? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on success, self-improvement, and the future of work. Thanks for watching.